Yo, we are back. I mean, I knew the back ones was like this. We just did the front ones. But damn, bro. Broken in 3 places. I wonder if the guy that was riding it thought it was for official like that. So I'm gonna go back to factory. I would like to see if I could get some team springs. I'm not sure. But these is cooked. These are beyond cooked. Took out. Yeah, take out this one here. That one there. This is a centric bolt. So you might want to make sure it goes in the same spot. These 2 and the 3 on top. And then get a bar and push it down.
Said the same thing, man.
Hold on. They were all broken. Hold on. They were all broken. Look at this one. This one's stuck on the top. This one, that one came off. Whoever had it bought like aftermarket shocks and put cheap springs. And I guess them things couldn't hold up no more. But that was horrible. These still looked alright though. A little rusted, but what's good? This chicken though, bro. I need more light though.